All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. Can You Do Any Better Investing, part of the Can You Do Any Better network. This is an educational channel dedicated to learning about all things investing. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Today's video, we're going to have a crypto-related video. We're going to be talking about XRP or Ripple. More specifically, we're going to be looking into how do you buy XRP. Please remember to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. This is a two-part video. If you are interested in seeing part two, hit the bell. So without further ado, let's talk about XRP. So this all started when a friend of mine was trying to buy XRP, and they couldn't figure out how to do it. So they asked me how to do it, and I went in and realized I don't know how to do it either. So that started my journey, and I'm just going to show you guys so far where my journey has taken me on how to buy XRP. So if you're already a crypto expert, you know the answer to this, most likely, although most of the information that I looked up was outdated and not correct. So let's take a look and see what I went through. So for the longest time, it was actually the third biggest cryptocurrency. Then it ran into some trouble. They had a lawsuit filed against them by the SEC, and that lawsuit still hangs over their head, and it's having a major impact on their ability to transact and for people to, particularly in the United States, for people to buy XRP. So if you're watching this outside of the United States, your experience might be quite different. It might be a lot easier to buy XRP, but in the United States right now, it's very difficult. It's the sixth biggest cryptocurrency with a market cap of about $44 billion. And like I said, for most of its history, it's actually been more like number 3. This situation with the SEC, there's a lot of talk about it potentially winding down and getting resolved in the next few weeks or months, at which point this whole game will change. But, you know, part of the problem is, if you wait for that to go buy it, you may miss the run-up. So we want to figure out, how do we buy this now before all of this gets resolved? In the event that it does, and in the event that you want to invest in it, here's what I went through. So in order to buy a cryptocurrency, you need to go through an exchange. It's not like if you're a stock investor, and we talk more about stocks on this channel by far than we do cryptocurrencies. You know, you go to your broker, Robinhood, WeBull, you know, there's a lot of brokers out there. You guys probably use one of those or another broker. And that's where you buy everything. Crypto world doesn't work like that. There's multiple exchanges. This is a website called CoinGecko. So on CoinGecko, basically they're listing out 7,531 coins traded on 475 different exchanges. And each exchange has a different offering of coins. Some exchanges, you know, have 5 or 6 coins. Some exchanges have 50. Some exchanges have hundreds of coins. So I figured, all right, let's start with the big dogs. You know, it looks like there's 3 or 4 companies here that are by far the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. So number 1 on the list, Binance. So I said, all right, let's try and buy this thing on Binance. So I went to Binance. Here it says how to buy XRP. What is XRP? And then here's a button, buy XRP here. Okay, that's great. However, if you live in the United States, you will find this. You can't use the regular Binance. You have to use Binance US. So when you go to Binance US, you will see it says Binance US will suspend XRP trading and deposits January 13th, 2021. So, trading suspended. You want to buy XRP? Can't do it on Binance. In volume, they're the biggest currency exchange by far. So, back to the drawing board, back to the list. Number 2, Coinbase. It's a very hot stock right now, ticker COIN. So it's a big topic over on the equity side of things, and it looks like it's the second biggest cryptocurrency exchange. So, all right, so let's try and buy XRP on Coinbase. How to buy Ripple with Coinbase. It's a whole nice long story about what Ripple is and how to buy it. on Coinbase. This is on a website called Benzinga. This is a widely used website. So here they're telling you, here's how you buy this on Coinbase. Okay, so then I go here, same website, Benzinga. How to buy Ripple XRP. Ready? So after reading that whole other thing, you see this. Want to jump straight to the answer, question mark? You can't buy XRP from the US. So you read the rest of the article and they talk about how there's a lawsuit pending with the SEC and they've suspended all trading. If you already held it, and the same thing was true on Binance, if you already hold XRP, they'll hold it. Trading is suspended, so you can't buy it. And if things get resolved, one day you'll be able to go back to Binance USA and to Coinbase and buy this. But right now, if you want to get in before that, we're 0 for 2 here. So, and not only are we 0 for 2, but this thing's saying you can't even do it at all in the United States. All right, but let's not give up. Binance was a no-go. Coinbase was a no-go. Number 3, Kraken. All right, so we're at Kraken.com. Looks like we're onto something. Here, why buy it, where I can buy it. The easiest way to buy XRP through an exchange is through an exchange like Kraken. So we're on Kraken. That's what we're trying to do. But guess what? Kraken to halt XRP trading for U.S. residents. This is January 29th, 2021. So today is May 26th, 2021. So, this was several months ago. So here again, now this is number 3. After going through all the instructions on how to buy Ripple and how this is a great place to buy XRP Ripple, bad news, trading is halted. You can't buy it on Kraken. I'm 0 for 3 now on the 3 largest, most trusted over here on CoinGecko. So I went to another list. Top cryptocurrency spot exchanges. This is coinmarketcap.com. So I thought maybe I'm on the wrong list. So sure enough, another company pops up here. And I'm going to pronounce this wrong, I'm sure. But I'm going to say Huobi Global. Said, all right, they look even bigger than Coinbase, so I don't know why that wasn't on the other list. These guys are huge. Let's see if we can do that there. After much looking around, I ended up with this article on CoinDesk. Huobi, and again, I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, Huobi Global will kick all of its U.S. customers off its platform later this month. This is November 2019. The cryptocurrency exchange announced it would freeze all U.S. accounts on November 13th, framing the move as a compliance step made to conform to U.S. laws and regulations. Huobi is recommending that customers transfer their assets to HBUS, the U.S. firm affiliated with the global brand. Okay, so I said, let's go over to HBUS. That's their U.S. version of their global company. So I go there. This is the front page of HBUS. Important notice. Asset withdrawal. Account login will not be available starting January 31st, 2020. They're done doing business in the United States completely. So, very big exchange, used in other places, but not even available. Not only can't you trade XRP on this one, you can't trade anything on this one. So I'm now 0 for 4. So this took me most of the day today. So I will tell you, I'm going to conclude this video for the moment, and there will be a part 2, which I will list. Today is Wednesday. By Monday, I will be listing part 2 to this video. I'm on to several leads, and I think I've got 1, if not 2 places that you can buy XRP. However, I'm going through their process and I haven't been able to get to the finish line yet, and I would prefer to, as you've seen, I've struck out many times. I would prefer to get to the finish line, actually purchase some XRP, and then I will be able to confidently tell you that 1 or 2 places you will be able to buy XRP. So I do think it's possible. I will tell you, I also watched some other YouTube videos on this. A lot of them were outdated and don't apply anymore. I did find one where through a series of transactions, I think it was by the time you were done, you had moved your money and or cryptocurrency 5 times and ended up on a swap exchange. That to me seemed way over my head for the time being, and anybody that's new to this looking to trade probably is not interested in signing up to multiple different exchanges and swapping through multiple different currencies in order to end up being able to trade. That is part 1 of this 2-part video. Please let me know what your experience has been. Love to hear feedback in the comments section, and let me know what you think of this video. Please again remember to like the video if you would, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in part 2, where hopefully I will be successfully showing you how to buy XRP. Thanks for watching.